Hi everyone, how are you doing? I hope you are having a great weekend. So today we are opening a new subscription to this channel. Surprise, surprise. You know that April is full of new boxes for us. So today is the LuvCareBox. So this came in second place for my poll I put out yesterday asking what I should open first. So yesterday I opened my Ipsy bag. If you have not yet seen that, I will link that in the eye and down below. But this one, yeah, brand new. So this is a vegan self-care box. I am super excited to try it out. So this is the packaging that it came in. It's like a box wrapped in paper, so I'm not sure if there's like an, what's inside, like if there's another cute box or what. But on it, it says naturally luxurious skin therapy. So they offer two different subscription plans. So like with all new subscriptions on my channel, I am going to open up their website and tell you more about it. But I do have the pricing pulled up already. So the smaller one is called the LuvCareKit, and this is $21 per month, and you get 3 to 4 items in each box. And then they have the LuvCareBox, which is what I have to open today. That is $39.95 a month, and you get 5 to 7 full-size products. I do have a promo code to share that will get you this LuvCareBox for $29 per month the entire time you're subscribed, so not just your first month. So that is a great deal. So if you like what you see today, definitely take advantage of that deal, because that will be like a lifetime if you keep subscribing. But of course you can cancel anytime. But anyways, let's learn more about the box and then get unboxing. So on their website, they are through Cratejoy. It says it is a vegan self-care box for scent lovers with dry skin. And this does ship worldwide for the United States, so that is so awesome. I love that. They're talking about how they have the 2 different subscription options, and inside you get handmade goodies like soaps, body polish, body butter, and candles to excite your senses, heal your soul, and enhance your life. All products are natural or organic, vegan, scented treats to soothe your dry skin, created in-house or curated from picky artisans. Alright, and it looks like there is free shipping, and when you put your first order in, you should get it in 3 to 5 days, so that's really awesome. From the time I talked to them, I did get this really quickly. So, let's see what's inside. So, underneath the wrapping was a box that says LuvCareBox right on it. And then it says like their social media handles, and then hashtag vegan, hashtag natural, hashtag handcrafted. And I guess if you you can win a free box if you snap a photo and post it on social media and tag them. So that's cool. If you do get this box, make sure you do that. It smells pretty good. I can smell it already, and I'm kind of stuffy, so that's a good thing. Oh my god, how cute is it when you open it? So when I open the box, this is what I see. Unexpected, like super cutely decorated. Like there's like some bunnies and beautiful flowers. How cute is that? And then there is a card on top. It looks like, so this is the March box. So it says Cherry Blossom Vegan Bath and Body Goodies. So since this is the March box, I am sure you will get a different one when you order, since it is now April. And it says on here, handwritten, "Hi Kitty, I hope you enjoy your LuvCareBox. I love Amelia." So that's really cute. And also on here it talks about all the items along with their values. So I will add that up at the end and keep this nearby so we can reference it. Underneath that card, everything was wrapped up nicely in this tissue paper. It says, "Thank you so much. Check out what's inside this month's LuvCareBox." Oh my gosh, it's so cutely packaged. Okay, so that is everything I see. And I'm just gonna grab this big jar here. What is this? This is Cherry Blossom Whipped Shea Butter. This is 7 ounces. This is made with love in the United States. Awesome. So this is a big jar of cream. Let's see what it smells like. This smells good. Like I said, I am a little stuffy. Definitely like suffering from spring in Florida. It's my first time. Oh, this is pretty thick. This feels nice. So let's see what it says about this. So this is this has a retail value of $15. It says, our body butter is handcrafted with love and deliciously scented with a sensual mix of floral fragrances to welcome springtime. Natural ingredients, and it includes a wooden spatula for easy application. Okay, that makes sense. If you guys have ever used like real shea body butter before, it is kind of hard. So I see that right here. So there's actually 2 little spatulas I've seen here, so that is awesome. Let me take them out so you can see it better. I know sometimes the plastic bags have a little bit of a reflection. But how cute are these? So this will be really helpful to scoop it out if necessary. Can you guys see those? Awesome. And then it looks like there is a cherry blossom soap as well. So this is the cherry blossom handmade vegan soap. Cool, this is beautiful. Okay, so well, first of all, this is what the outer packaging looks like. But then look at the side detail of the soap itself. Let's take this out. This is so pretty. There's like flowers. Oh my god. So there you go. That is so pretty. There's like a little imprint here too. This is awesome. And this smells good too. Oh my god, I can't believe how pretty this is. It's like almost too pretty to use. Okay, so this is the Cherry Blossom Soap Bar by LuvCareBox. This has a retail value of $8. It says it's a creamy and moisturizing soap bar made in-house, especially for dry skin. 100% handmade, dry thoroughly between uses. Enjoy this natural and beautiful bath treat. Awesome, this is so beautiful. Cool. And then I see some French lavender sachets, organic lavender flower buds. So these are like air purifiers, drawer refreshers, moth repellent, and stress relief. I generally use these in my drawers to make my clothes smell good. So this is super awesome to have. It looks like there's 2 bags in there. And I love the scent of lavender, so that is awesome. So let me see what it says about this. So it says fresh lavender sachets by LuvCareBox, a 2-count, $4.50 is the retail value. Lasts forever. Hang in the closet as a natural moth repellent. Place in the drawer as an air freshener or insect repellent. Place inside the pillowcase for relaxing sleep. Oh, that's a good idea. I did not sleep well last night. I don't know what my problem is, so maybe I'll try this out tonight and see if that helps. All right, next up, what is this? This is a matcha green tea face mask, and this has a net weight of 2.5 ounces. So I guess this is like a powder, and you're supposed to add a few drops of liquid, like water, aloe vera gel, coconut milk, etc. You add that to 1/2 teaspoon of powder, stir to make a paste, apply to skin, let dry, and wash off, and leave skin soft. So that is cool. This will last a while if you only use 1/2 teaspoon. And this is also by LuvCareBox, and this is $19, and it says unscented, 100% vegan ingredients, clay mask formula to gently exfoliate, deeply purify, and remove impurities from your skin. Leave skin soft to the touch and includes a wooden spoon. So that's why we got 2 spoons. One is for this, and then one is for the shea butter. And then, let's see here. Oh, how cute is this? They have like little, I think what is bath bombs, like it looks like a little egg carton. See that? Oops, I hope I didn't break it. Hold on. Nope, it's all good, 1 sec. Well, looks like an egg but doesn't crack like an egg. We're all good here. So we have 2 of these. Looks like they're different scents, and I'm pretty sure they're bath bombs. Smells good. Let me read this though. Yep, so they are bath bombs. Life Around 2 Angels bath bombs. For 2 of them, it is $5.98. It says the ingredients are rich in vitamins like magnesium to relax your muscles and pamper your skin. It's cruelty-free, made with love, 100% handmade, all natural ingredients. Phthalate-free, made in the US. And these are like some sturdy bath bombs. You know how some like just crumble? I just like whip that on the table and on the ground, so that's cool to know. Still okay. I'm glad I didn't ruin that. I would have been bummed because I love my bath bombs. Awesome. And it looks like there's one more thing, and it's wrapped up in this cute paper. Look at that. Oh, it's candy. So there's some suckers and then a bunch of these little caramels. What does it say? Cocamels, vanilla caramels. Let me see if it says anything on here. So it says there are 3, but I have 4. And it doesn't have a price, probably just because these aren't too expensive. But it says all natural, kosher, vegan, non-GMO, organic, a delicious sweet treat made with 30% less sugar than other candies. No high fructose corn syrup, dairy-free, gluten-free, soy-free. Awesome. I love like little treats that you don't have to feel guilty about, and these sound so good. There's also some suckers in here which I think were just like an added bonus. There's like 4 of them. So they're by Yum Earth, and this one is in Perfectly Peach. Then we have one in Very Very Cherry, Googly Grape, and Razzmatazz Berry. So that's cute. I like how they have little treats in there too. So I think that is everything. It says on here, I said I was going to add it up, it has a retail value of $53 or more, so that is awesome. You definitely get more than what you pay for. I love how this is all like small batch, like made from, you can tell, like from like a smaller local brands, and seriously, I can't get over how pretty the soap is. So yeah, I'm also most excited about the shea butter too. I'm one of those people that I do moisturize every single day, so that is awesome. I'm definitely going to use these too. So this is like a box, and the bath bombs, and the face mask. I love face masks. I do face masks almost every day now. Is that like overkill? I don't know, but I did one today before I started filming after I got a shower. But yeah, this is all stuff I would use, so I think this is pretty awesome. So yeah, you guys have to let me know what you think. So if you do order this, this will not be the box you get because it is now April. But you'll definitely get some goodies similar to this. So check out their website. So I'll leave that down in the description box along with my code with them. By the way, I don't get anything through the code. That is just for you guys. So definitely use it if you are interested. Anyways, thank you guys so much for unboxing with me. I will see you tomorrow. Bye.